Genspark AI has just released something big, the AI Browser. This isn't just another browser with AI bolted on. It's a super AI agent inside your browser that can automate browsing, handle planning, and interact with the web for you. Think of it as browsing on autopilot, with you in control. So what can it do? Let's look at 5 powerful use cases. First, imagine saying, summarize my X feed and turn it into a podcast. The AI browser will scan your feed, condense the content, and create an audio version you can listen to while doing something else. Second, download all the papers from a video. If you're watching a lecture, conference talk, or even a YouTube explainer with research links, the AI can collect and download them all for you in one step. Third, research the latest news about the companies you're meeting and prepare me for them. Instead of searching site by site, the AI browser pulls relevant updates, organizes them, and gives you a prep brief like a personal analyst. Fourth, find items for me in Amazon. Just describe what you're looking for, whether it's ergonomic chair under $200 or eco-friendly kitchenware, and the AI will browse, filter, and bring back the best options. Fifth, act as a content manager and give me ideas based on my social media. It can look at your posts, your audience, your engagement patterns, and then generate new ideas to keep your content pipeline flowing. And here's the real kicker. Genspark AI Browser runs on device. That means the AI models run locally on your computer, giving you lightning-fast responses, complete privacy, and no need for an internet connection. You get zero costs, full control, and no data leaving your machine. The Genspark AI Browser combines autonomy, privacy, and speed to redefine how we interact with the web. From summarizing feeds to acting as your research assistant, this isn't just browsing. It's browsing with an AI copilot built right in. Would you trust an AI browser to automate your online tasks? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more updates on the future of AI tools.